Hi, and welcome to the Rice Museum. I'm Garrett Romaine, and today I'm joined by Greg Carr, and he's going to explain a little bit about Bernie the Thalattosaur and the prep story behind him. So Greg, I'll leave you to it, and yes, you can remove your mask, even though it's cool.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm Greg Carr, and this is 2020. We do have COVID, but because I'm more than 6 feet, I'll take my mask off so you can see my talking.
And your lips move.
Yeah, see my lips move. So this is a reproduction of an ancient marine reptile called a Thalattosaur. And Thalattosaurs lived only during the Triassic. This is a recreation of an animal that my daughter and I found in 2011 in Central Oregon. It's the first Thalattosaur found in Oregon. And this particular animal, this recreation, is made by 3D scanning, image manipulation, and printing, which is fairly new in paleontology, using maybe the last 15 years. So what we have is the original Thalattosaur bones are from multiple animals, at least 8 of them. They're single bones that are dispersed in a piece of rock that we had to chip out of solid rock. Each of those bones were then scanned with a laser scanner to get the full size and shape and surface texture of the bone. So we had bones from the Thalattosaurs, so we didn't have every bone and we didn't have them articulated. It was all mixed up, disarticulated. So based on a very complete Chinese animal that is articulated but squished flat, we could get the size of the bones, the number of backbones, the number of ribs, the size and shape of the limb bones. So we took all of the scanned images of the Oregon Thalattosaur bones and laid them out, scaled them to size based on the measurements from the Chinese animal, and then printed out every bone. Every one of these bones is printed out individually with a 3D printer. It took several months to do all this printing. Then it physically reassembled to be in the shape and of a animal, as if it had been a articulated skeleton, even though it wasn't. So this is our best guess of what the animal actually looked like as far as size and shape. We are missing the jaw. The jaw is not finished yet. They are still digitally recreating that from fragments of the original jaws. And when those are finished, then we'll print out a 3D jaw and have it as well. So that's how we've used some most modern technologies. 3D printing is, at this point, still maybe 15 years on. And so we're using modern technology to recreate an ancient animal. And it's been really fun.
Thanks, Greg.